What's going on, guys? Title states, today we're going to show you how to change the front brakes on a Cadillac CTS-V, the second generation, the glorious V. So we're going to be changing these guys. Giant 6 pistons right up front. Not too hard, though if you don't know what to expect, it can be a little unnerving or a little like, uh-oh, what do I do? So we'll walk you guys through the process of getting these bad boys replaced as painlessly and as quickly and efficiently as possible. Here's some of the basic tools you'll need for this job. Flathead screwdriver, a big one, helps pry the pads away from the rotor. That way you can get them out. 18 socket breaks the caliper bolts loose. You got a 10mm socket. That's going to take off the brake hose bracket line. And that's pretty much it. Hammer. Here we have parts that we'll be using for this job. We're running on a Hawk Reds Street 5.0 pads. We're also going to be using these slotted rotors. Again, really heavy. The car can definitely use a light and brake upgrade, but that'll come down the road. My OG gamers out there, I know you guys can appreciate the Mario poster. That thing's pretty sweet. Alright, so yeah, let's take a look at these Hawk pads. You can tell a lot about the brakes by the pads themselves. I'm going to set you guys down here. Oh man, these are some heavy pads. These are beefy. Some serious pads right here. They're real beefy. I'll tell you right now, this brake design, it's going to have 2 slide pins that we're going to need to remove. One on this side and one on this side. And that's what holds the pad in itself. This way it gives you full access. You don't have to break your neck trying to get in there. And that looks like a 13. There you go, yeah. And just work your way up.
Oh, dude, we didn't even need our tool.
That's what I'm saying. You can do it with a flathead pretty well.
Connect them.
I disconnect that so you can move it.
Yeah. Okay. It came off pretty simple.
Yeah.
Dude, come here and feel how light this is.
Yeah, those calipers are light. That's why they're a common flop. It's a last part of this braking system, yeah.
Holy
Weighs a ton, the calipers are like less than a pound. Remember to always hang the calipers up, guys. This should be a T25. I'm going to check it right now.
Just hope we get lucky. Oh my god.
Nice. Leverage, folks. It's your best friend.
Gonna be alright.
Actually feels quite nice today, honestly.
Yeah, it's not too bad to be honest.
As hot as I was expecting.
And I figured let's do this side first while we got, you know, the shade on it. Because if we do that side first and move over here, we're gonna start cooking. Fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Bam. Now both of them.
Yeah, once you know what you're looking for, it's pretty easy.
Saga y el parqueo.
So that's going to be the end of this video. I was editing it and realized I never properly closed it out. I do want to apologize for the lack of actual dialogue. As we tell, we had music playing in the background and was just hanging out. It was a good time just hanging out. But I still wanted to film to show you guys how to take care of those brakes if you ever need to, and for those of you who are looking at how to take care of those brakes. Hope this video found useful to you. Hope there were some good tips. If not, I hope it just showed you how to do it. If you were uncertain about how to do it, now you know. So just a quick recap. Those Brembo style brakes on the CTS-V are really simple. They're on a lot of other higher end vehicles with Brembo style brakes. It's generally 1 to 3 pins. This is a 3-pin. You slide those 2 pins out. Third one screws out with a bolt. Slide out the pads. Put pads back in, put the pins back in, you're good to go. It's really simple. They seem a little daunting, but once you get your hands dirty with them, you're like, oh, this makes sense, it's easy. So, really hope you guys found this useful. Thanks again for checking it out, really do appreciate it. Remember to drop a like, leave us a comment, I love hearing from you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna be doing more awesome videos, so stay tuned for that, and keep this in mind. Carbon fiber is making a comeback on the channel, so. Just wanted to say what's up to you guys. Just wanted to close the video out properly. And we'll see you guys on the next one. When we get there, do something awesome. Peace.